Hello everyone, I Akanksha Mishra welcomes you all to our YouTube channel TNV Academy. In today's video, we are diving into incident and service request management, two key processes in the ISO IEC 20001 standard for IT service management. Let's simplify it, understand its importance, and see how it works in real-world IT environments. What is ISO 20001? ISO IEC 20001 is the international standard for IT service management. It helps organizations deliver quality IT services by managing the full service life cycle, including incidents and service requests. And yes, there is a clear difference between the two. Incident versus service request. An incident is any unplanned interruption or reduction in quality of an IT service. Think of a server crash, a printer not working, or your email not syncing. The goal is to restore normal service as quickly as possible. On the other hand, a service request is a user request for information or a standard change, like password resets, software installation, or access request. Incidents are about fixing problems, service requests are about providing something the user needs, and both must be handled efficiently. Process objectives. So what does ISO 20001 expect? For incident management, the goal is to minimize the impact of incidents and restore service within agreed timeframes. For service request management, the objective is to handle user requests in a timely and customer-friendly manner based on predefined procedures. Both processes require logging, classification, prioritization, resolution, and importantly, communication with the user. Benefits. Implementing these processes improves customer satisfaction, reduces downtime, and increases IT support efficiency. ISO 20001 ensures that these are standardized, auditable, and continually improved. It also helps align IT services with business needs, boosting trust between users and the IT team. Key takeaways. So remember, incidents is equal to fix disruptions. Service request is equal to fulfill user needs. Both are critical for reliable IT services, and ISO 20001 gives you the framework to manage them effectively. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to TNV Academy for more content on ISO standards, IT service management, and more. Have questions? Then drop them in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video.